Hope you're doing well, my friend. Welcome to the Young Writers Workshop powered by ONEProject New Jersey. Alongside this video, you will also get a link to a free downloadable activity sheet. Use the skills you learn in this video to work through the exercises on that worksheet. So let's get started. Today, we're going to be talking about nouns. A noun is a word used to identify people, places, or things. Nouns are all around us. Cat, New York, eyes. These are all examples of nouns. And nouns can be further divided into common nouns and proper nouns. A common noun is a general name given to all people, animals, or things of the same kind. Let's look at common nouns in action. The boy is playing soccer. In this sentence, boy and soccer are both common nouns. Boy is a person, and soccer is a thing. Let's look at another example. A doctor cures his patients. In this sentence, doctor and patients are both people, but we don't know the doctor's name or the name of his patients. Hence, they are both common nouns. Common nouns are all around us. Dog, mall, airplane, scissors, hand, teacher, theater, river, pet are just some examples of common nouns. Then the second type of nouns are proper nouns. Proper noun is a word used to identify a very specific place, person, or thing. Let's look at proper nouns in action. Maya loves Disney. Here, Maya is the name of a specific person, and Disney is the name of a specific TV channel. Proper nouns are usually names of people, places, or things. Let's look at another example. Sasha is going to London. Here, Sasha is the name of a specific person, and London is the name of a specific place. Hence, they both are proper nouns. Time for a little recap. In this video, you learn what is a noun, what is a common noun, what is a proper noun, and the difference between common and proper nouns. Thank you so much for tuning in to this month's video of the Young Writers Workshop powered by ONEProject New Jersey. Goodbye, and don't forget to be awesome.